Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play Pretty Boy by Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds. If you like what you see today, if you could click like and subscribe for me, that helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar tutorials. All chords I'm using in this video today I've previously made tutorial videos on, so if you're stuck for any of these chords, go back and check those videos out and that'll help you along. So to start with then, we're going to be playing a down, 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 up, down strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. First chord, B minor, then D, then E, then G. B minor, D, E, G. B minor, D, E, G. B minor, D, E, G. That makes up the majority of the song, those four chords. Then it moves along, I think it's 2 minutes or 2 minutes 20 in the song, we get to the bridge. It changes slightly. It uses these chords. It goes like this. It goes E major, E major, D major, D major, B minor, B minor, E major, E major, D major, D major, C major, C, sustain. It rings on that third bar of C. Okay, so let's go through that again. So it goes E, E, D, D, B minor, B minor, E, E, D, D, C, C, C. So get your head down, pretty boy. Then it goes back to B minor, D, E, G. There we go. So the main part of the song, as I've said, B minor, D, E, G. And then we've got that other part, the bridge, that just happens around about 2 minutes, 2 minutes 20 in the song. And then after the sustain of the C, then it goes back to the other structure, the main part structure, B minor, D, E, and then G. Okay, so I do hope you've enjoyed this video. As I say, if you did, click like and subscribe for me. Also, you might like to check out www.danielberryguitartutor for more videos and blogs and things. So I do hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.